Surbi from Digification. Today we'll see how we can renew a Godaddy domain or a domain which is about to expire. For this, first you'll have to go to your Godaddy account. You'll find notification tabs here. Click there and you'll see that some of your domain cancels on so and so date, and you'll also get this button which is renew, or otherwise you could go to your products and here you'll have entire list of the domains. I'm going to domains. In manage products, here in services you could go and you can see that which domain is about to expire, and you'll have this option of renewing. So now since we already have added to the cart, the moment you click renew, it'll go and it'll be in your cart. Let's go to cart. And here you can see the domain renewal, and there would be some discounts maybe if added or not. And all you have to do is click on ready to check out, and this would always say renewal. It's not a new domain, it's a and that's it.